With the blast furnace in operation, let's see what takes place inside. Up through the mass of coke, iron ore, and limestone is blown a roaring blast of preheated air. At the top, the temperature is about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, increasing at lower levels to a maximum of about 3,300 degrees. As the charge heats, gases formed by the burning coke draw oxygen from the ore as it descends through the furnace, leaving spongy metal similar to that produced by primitive methods. The charge descends through increasing heat until at about 2,000 degrees, the spongy metal absorbs about 3.5% of carbon from the coke. Continuing to descend at about 2,500 degrees, the iron with the absorbed carbon melts. The limestone combines with the earthy matter of the ore, forming slag.